Final Fantasy VII Rebirth has a total of 12 chapters. This exciting game continues the story of Cloud Strife and his friend as they explore new areas and face tough challenges. Each chapter is filled with adventures, battles, and important moments that keep players engaged. In the game, you get to meet new characters and see familiar faces from the first part. So the world of Gaia is vast and beautiful with many places to explore. As you play through the chapters, you'll learn about the story and the characters' backgrounds. There's side quests to complete, which can give you extra rewards and help you level up. The graphics are stunning, basically making everything look as amazing as can be as you travel through different environments. The battles are exciting and require strategy, so be ready to think about your moves. If you love role-playing games basically, you'll really enjoy Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. Each chapter brings something new and keeps the story interesting. So take your time, explore, enjoy the journey with Cloud and his friends. You're in for a fantastic adventure. Let me know what you think about it.